Today, I'm going to show you how to share a OneNote notebook with others. Whether you're collaborating on a project, sharing notes with classmates, or keeping your team aligned, being able to share your OneNote notebook quickly makes collaboration much easier. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, open your Microsoft OneNote app and make sure your notebook is fully loaded. This is important because you need to have the specific notebook open that you want to share with others. Take a moment to ensure everything has loaded properly before moving forward. Once your notebook is ready, look toward the top part of your screen where all your main tools and options are located. You'll see the File menu sitting up there. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu with various options for managing your notebook. From this menu, you need to click on Share. This is the gateway to all the sharing features OneNote offers. After clicking Share, you'll be prompted to sign into your Microsoft 365 account if you aren't already logged in. This step is necessary because OneNote uses your Microsoft account to manage permissions and access controls for shared notebooks. Once you're signed in, you'll see two main options for sharing your notebook. The first option allows you to share via link, which is perfect when you want to give multiple people access without sending individual files. The second option lets you share your notebook as a PDF file, which creates a downloadable version of your content. Now simply select the sharing method that works best for your situation. If you choose to share via link, you can copy that link and send it to anyone you want to collaborate with, and they'll be able to access your notebook directly through OneNote. If you choose the PDF option, you'll get a downloadable file that contains your entire notebook, which you can then attach to an email or share through any other method you prefer. The PDF option is especially useful when you need to share with someone who may not have access to OneNote or when you want to provide a static version of your notes. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up sharing for your OneNote notebook, making it easy for others to view or collaborate on your content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.